Hello friends, this is Dr. Viral Kumar Shilu and I sincerely welcome all you people in my channel named Viral Shilu. Today I am going to express my views on the term meditation. In fact, meditation has been part of the Indian culture for more than 2500 years, and at that time also a rishis or saint had categorically specified an important role of meditation for a mankind. So in this video I'm just going to share what this meditation is and what are the different types of meditation. Let me start with the basic meaning of meditation. Meditation may simply be considered as a practice of deep thinking, or it can even be just defined as focusing on one's own mind. It can be done in a silence, or even it can be done by chanting some mantras or some words. There could be number of reasons to be practicing meditation by the people, but I found three most important reasons, and the first one is to be religious or being spiritual, the second one is to evoke relaxation, and the third one is to get health benefits. There has been growing scientific evidence to use meditation as a tool to fight against chronic illness like depression, heart disease, and importantly to overcome chronic pain. There are different ways through which meditation would be practiced. Basically, there are 7 ways through which we'll be practicing meditation in our daily lives. The first type of meditation is mindful meditation. As the name itself suggests, here you are very much aware about your thoughts. You are very much aware where you are, but you need to let your thoughts be passed in your mind. You need not to be judgmental. You can practice this mindful meditation at any place. Most of the people prefer to sit in a very calm place and they would be focusing on their breathing. But it is not necessary that you need to be just doing the mindful meditation in a quiet place. Even while commuting, you may be paying attention to your thoughts and doing this mindful meditation. The second type of meditation is known as transcendental meditation. This is a type of meditation in which a phrase, a word, or a mantra would be chanted repeatedly by a person for more than 10 to 15 minutes with his eyes closed. This is a technique with the help of which person would be getting an inner peace and rest or a sort of relaxation. The third type of meditation is known as guided meditation. As the name itself suggests that here you need to have someone to be serving as a guide, as a teacher, as a guru. And he'll be asking you to visualize something mentally which would be giving you a sense of calmness. You may be visualizing some picture, you may be visualizing something where exactly your happiness would be lying. And here you need to use your senses as much as possible. Maybe some sound, texture, and the overall purpose of having this guided meditation is to have best of the imagination in your mind, which ultimately would be giving you a sense of relaxation from within. The fourth type of meditation is Vipassana meditation. In fact, Vipassana meditation dates back to 2500 years old in the Indian culture. And the mindfulness meditation which is being practiced in United States has its roots in Vipassana meditation. The very purpose of Vipassana meditation is to have self-transformation through self-observation. Here you need to establish a link between your body and mind. Continuous interconnectedness between your body and mind would be just bringing a sense of calmness from within. One of the another interesting forms of meditation is metta meditation. This is also known as loving kindness meditation. This is a type of meditation in which practitioner would be directing or sending his good wishes, his warm wishes, his well wishes to the people who he loves or who he really cares for. This is typically done by sitting in a very comfortable position, and he would be reciting sentences or phrases like, "May my family members be happy, may my family members be well, may my family members be safe." So this is one of the most interesting ways through which he would be sending positive vibes towards all the people or a group of people who he loves or who he really cares for. Another form of meditation is chakra meditation. Chakra, if would be translated, it would be representing a wheel. It is being believed that there are 7 chakras or there are 7 wheels situated in different parts of our body, and each chakra has its own color. Practitioner of this type of meditation would be practicing simply to bringing balance between all these chakras, and it is also being believed that this type of meditation would be bringing lot of relaxation to your body and to your mind. The seventh and the last type of meditation is yoga meditation. Yoga meditation also dates back to ancient India. There are a variety of forms and styles of yoga meditation. Here the basic purpose of doing yoga meditation by doing different type of yogas is to bring in calmness and flexibility. That can be done by having a controlled breathing practices while doing yoga meditation. So these are the different forms or different types of meditation. You may be picking any one of them or mixture of them. Just spare 5 minutes every day and it must be paying you rich dividend in form of your improved health, your improved immunity and importantly happiness. So wishing you all a very happy meditative practices. I'll catch you soon. Till then you people take care. Wishing you all the very best.